Is Antifa illegal? Have you ever wondered about the legal status of Antifa? This question often comes up in discussions about activism, socialism, and social justice. Antifa, which stands for anti-fascist, is a decentralized political movement. It consists of various autonomous groups that oppose fascism, racism, and far-right ideologies. Because it lacks a formal structure, it can be tricky to classify legally. In the United States, Antifa is not officially labeled as an illegal organization or a domestic terrorist group by the federal government. Some politicians and officials have tried to label it as a domestic terrorist organization. This is mainly due to violent incidents involving individuals or groups claiming to be part of Antifa. For instance, there have been resolutions introduced in Congress suggesting this designation. However, despite these efforts, no formal legal classification has been made that would render Antifa illegal as a whole. The decentralized nature of Antifa means it does not have a formal membership or a unified command structure. This makes it challenging to prosecute or ban as a single entity. Law enforcement typically focuses on prosecuting individuals who commit crimes during protests or violent confrontations. This applies regardless of whether they identify with Antifa or not. From a socialist perspective, Antifa is often viewed as a grassroots movement that fights against authoritarianism and racism. Many socialists see the attempts to label Antifa as illegal as efforts to suppress anti-fascist activism. They argue that this is an attempt to criminalize resistance to far-right extremism. The movement's goal of opposing fascism aligns with socialist values, which emphasize fighting oppression and promoting equality. However, socialists also stress the importance of distinguishing between lawful protest and unlawful violence. In summary, Antifa is not legally banned or declared illegal as an organization in the United States. While some government officials have proposed designating it as a domestic terrorist group, this has not led to any formal legal status. Antifa remains a decentralized movement without formal membership, complicating legal action against it. From a socialist viewpoint, Antifa represents a necessary resistance to fascism and racism, consistent with broader social justice goals. The focus should be on individual accountability for violence rather than blanket bans on anti-fascist activism.